Disassembly and disinfection instruction for individual customer. Disassembly before disinfection. After finishing the daily work, remove and disinfect the Vihood package. Use both hands to pull the facepiece shroud from your chin to the front of your face. Take the Vihood off your head, then release the belt to take the blower and battery off. Disinfection. Method 1. Disinfection by using an ozone generator. Step 1. Disassemble the components. Discard and replace the exhale filters and the non-woven filters in the blower. Use the alcohol-soaked towel to wipe the surfaces of the equipment and bag or container. Step 2. Put one end of the ozone tube into the bag, close the bag tightly. Turn on the ozone generator, set for 1 hour, concentration 30 to 40 parts per million. Turn off and wait for 30 minutes. Step 3. Take the components out of the sterilization box or container. Insert new filters to the exhale filter holder on the headgear and new non-woven filter on the blower case. Then reassemble all the components and turn the equipment on in 2 minutes to avoid directly inhaling residual ozone before continuing usage. Step 4. Turn off the equipment, unplug the cable and put them all in the bag or container. Method 2. Disinfection by using a dryer. Step 1. Disassemble the components, discard and replace the exhale filters and the non-woven filters in the blower. Step 2. Use the alcohol-soaked towel to wipe the surfaces of the equipment and the bag or container. Step 3. Put all the components into the bag, container, then use the dryer. Keep the temperature between 55 degrees Celsius, 131 degrees Fahrenheit, and 680 degrees Celsius, 140 degrees Fahrenheit, in 30 minutes. For the hair dryer, leave the bag or the container open, let the hair dryer directly blow into the equipment, keep it 30-40 centimeters, 11,8-15,7 inches, far from the equipment. After finishing disinfection, close the bag, container, place it in a cool place for storage or further usage. Fully charge the battery after the disinfection process is completed.